So hey guys, it's your girl Strawberry Lemonade, and today we're gonna go catch horses. I caught this donkey like 5 days ago, and I trained it to the max. And let's see, look, see, it's all trained right here, and right here it really needs to be trained. And I dyed it and I styled the hair. I already got how it turned out, and we're just going. See, you see how much stamina it has and how much power. My ass is bored if you could turn my horse. Never mind. So where should we go? I'm thinking. I'm thinking a good island right now. How about we should go to Training Island? I'm gonna show you how much I train. I train a lot. So, anyways, let's go. Sorry about the horses. There's donkey. No, donkey Mexico. The person's talking Spanish. I know Taquito Español. And yeah, I know just a little bit Spanish, so I'm gonna look at this person. Yeah, those are all completed. Barrel racing tree. Where is this located? So I'm trying to train my donkey to the max, because it has kids. Yeah, it had kids with another donkeys. I had to put them all in my stable outside. But their father is... Their owner and the father left. So, Ooh. So my horse needs a little rest. Hopefully it doesn't want to have it. Go. Stop asking me stuff. Just go. Don't ask me stuff. No. Act like you oofed. I made the sound that I like oof. So oof. I did that. Sorry, y'all. Yeah, my sister kept on asking me to go to the restroom with her because she's scared of going by herself. She's scared of monsters. Yeah, y'all. She's young, so that's why I was kind of a bit. Let's see what he buy. So yeah, I'm just looking at stuff right now. This one's good. Okay, so let's buy this. Let's buy this. That's good, right? Yeah. We just wasted all our coins, yo. Now we're at 16, but we could get more, right? Yeah. I still thought that counts. Let's see this new tech that we just bought. It looks pretty. I don't know. Let's see. I like this. I bought this at Mainhagen. It was only like, it was 100 each. I bought a girl. And, it was a really closer to a. I bought it for the wall. Please hurry. So we just gotta learn how to run. This is gonna be hard. My horse is galloping at full speed, bro. Yeah, it's gonna run out. It's gonna run out easily. Yeah, but he's fast enough. So we're gonna keep on trying to like try to get it high and pin it down. Yeah, my sister, she just put that so loud. I told her that I'm gonna be recording a video and she doesn't shut the hell up. So I'm about to take away her tablet. And she ain't taking away mine, I'm gonna order something. So we might do they pull or what? I don't know, because you pay. Sorry that I'm yawning, y'all. I was like morning like 5 minutes ago. Yeah, my horse is getting tired, so I'm just gonna let her stop. Let her walk. Let her legs to walk. She's really getting tired, time. Let her stop. We're about to go. Just let her walk. Let's see what I'm stick to. We're pitting. I don't even know where we're going right now. It's okay. Why can't that man just take me free anywhere, bro? Royal at? Royal Garden is not that royal. I don't even have that much coins to go there. So I'm not gonna go there. I'm just gonna go to islands that are free until I get more coins, yo. Yeah. I don't have Robux, so if y'all could donate Robux, I'll be so grateful. So my user is lovebesties272, and wait, let me just check. Lovebesties272, yo, and my other, and yeah, it's just lovebesties272. So if y'all want to donate, that's my username, and I'm so grateful for anyone. So I'm recording right now. I am a creator and I'm recording right now. I'm a creator. And I am recording. I am a creator and I am recording. And they're gonna save this code. So let's just. My vid. Y'all. I really like this horse. That's pretty. Let me just check. Let me just see the Pokemon here. Somewhere you got this horse. Oh, and last video I found a. Please don't. Yeah, I'm asking people if they want to be in my vid. So. Aha. What is he doing, bro? Addy-duddy. Addy-duddy. I'm just looking at horses. I know where it is. Okay. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna go get a. So we're going to. I don't know if they'll accept this, but you're going to. That you have to pay with coins. I might sell one of mine. We're going to 29 to sell my horses. Sheesh. Why is it so laggy now? Okay. We're going to have to go to the Blizzard and we're going to have to waste coins. Yep. RIP my coins. I might be broke. I had 22 coins and yeah, I might be so broke right now. Okay, so we're gonna every time we find I got 7 tokens. Oh nah, yeah, I'm broke. I'm broke. I'm broke. I swear. I'm gonna come over here. I always come over here and then it always gets bleeded. So I'm gonna show you as an example. Why is this so slippery? Why is not even having trouble? Let's see what this horse is. Get over here, horsey. No, where my horse is. No thanks. I'm gonna get on my horse. Where are these good horses? They're really rare. Let's keep on looking for horses. Just keep it like this. Why do you video? Okay, so yeah, I was just. Where are these horses at? These are just go look for some. I just catch donkeys and animals, so I don't care with it. So let's look for a few more animal horses, and then we're gonna be ending the video there. Like, where these horses are. It's obviously not that good. So. Okay, so we're heading towards somewhere where a big pack was last time. Okay, never mind. I don't even know where it is, so I'm not gonna go. And we're just gonna catch one more horse and then we'll end the video there. My mom, she has favoritism, so I don't know what it said, so we're just gonna catch one more horse, and if we don't find one, we're gonna have to be ending the video right there. Yep, we found one. Let me see if that horse. That was fast. Yeah, my horse need more dog to be a whole pack. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yo, a rare donkey. A rare horse. Oh my god. I'm getting this one. Good thing I was in. Y'all better get in Blizzard Island right now. No, they're escaping. I need to get this horse. It's a massive. Good. Freaking picked up. Oh my god, bro. This is so lucky. So lucky. We have to get Big Boy and start running after the big horses. They're in danger. Do you see any horses, boy? No horses that I hope. The rest escaped. We're gonna be selling these horses later, but you know, we're gonna be trying to. Okay. Sorry you had to be in part of this, buddy. You're not. I just get horses and look for them. They don't even ask to be. I just get them. Nope, get off here. Get off here. Yo, we just had 7 coins, like couple minutes ago, and now look how much tokens we have. That's just crazy. Okay, so bye y'all. I'm gonna be giving away the rest of the horses I catch. Hope that door just got open. It's kind of getting boring waiting. Okay, yeah, so my horse is just gonna leave over that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe or share. I don't really care what y'all do, so just please spam. Please spam in the comments. If you do, I would be very, very grateful. And, this horse is actually pretty fast. I might keep this one. I might just keep one. Here she comes. Hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna be ending this video right here.